Welcome to this tutorial. We're going to be doing this design. It's a design that is more like listing the telling you about a product. So more like listing different categories of cakes that are available. You can as well put price, you can choose not to, but this is just a very simple design that you can achieve without stress. So let's add page. Okay, so this is what we want to do, and every of this thing that is used in the design can be found on Canva, just so you know. So let's start. We're starting with our background. So I search for cake pattern. We put the background at 8 to avoid distraction. That is why we make sure that our backgrounds are less distracting. Your design can be fine and everything, but should not distract the information that it is trying to pass when you start adding text. So same process like we did in the last. Some fonts have, not call them bad, but not very good spacing, kerning and tracking. So we always try to make sure that our fonts, we adjust it to the best. Okay, so this is it. Let's duplicate this. We could choose to put it here or in the center. Your logo can choose to be here, center, here, down here, depending on the kind of design you do. So you can see. Now another thing we need is a shape. So let's cancel this and add a shape. The first shape is here, so we put this here, move it a bit, drag it down. It took off, we come to corner and reduce the corner. Let's put it at 82. Let's make it black. Not delete, duplicate. Okay, the second shape was here. Send it to, let's change the color first. Here is red. Now we just drag this to position and send it to back. Let's move it forward a bit so that background will be at the back of it. Let's duplicate this again. Now in this, we tap on this slider, we tap on shape, and we just drag it and we bring in this shape. Let's place it here and here and reduce this a bit. Okay, it matches. Okay, you can choose not to do this, but because of this style, I can choose to just add the cakes in shapes or just add cake images on this side, which is this side of the design. Where is that? This side. I can choose to just add boxes of cakes anyhow you please. So let's move this up. Let's search for the image of a cake. On my Canva. Okay, I think this was the one we used. Now this cake has a background. We don't need the background, so we tap on background remover. You can see that background remover has a crown. It's telling you that it's pro. If I was a free user, I would not be able to do this just now. So like I said, go and make sure you get Canva Pro. Make your life easy. Duplicate. We change the color. Don't make it bold. Remove this. Okay. So adding types of cake. Vanilla creamer cake. This is just me for me cake. Chocolate cake. Cup cake. Which other type of cake? Banana bread cake, etc. etc. Come to spacing, reduce line spacing, and then come to format. You could add dots to it. Now I want to put something under, so I come here and search for doodle, this or doodle line. Where is this? This is, I think the meaning of this is just, that's the name basically, sure. More like somebody using a painting to do something. So I could just pick this one. Let me change the color. Let's use a bright color and just place it here. Now this side of design is done. Let's search for cakes I'm going to put in that side of design. Cake. We want photos. Okay, now I'm going to change the style of the design. Instead of using that, I'm just going to make sure that this feels like a square. Reduce it. Come to corner. Okay. Let's get another picture. Now this thing I'm doing now in design is called, I can call it modeling. The reason I'm calling it modeling is, if I was using someone else's design as a form of inspiration, I have made sure that I didn't copy the person's design. So if the person sees this design somewhere, it means that I'll change some other things, but these three things now I changed here. Select multiple. I told the person that, okay, this person took inspiration from my design. Eventually the person might not notice if I change a lot of things, but this person did not copy my design. So if I was not to copy, I would have not put that cake here. I could have just taken every other thing. Let's say even remove this, and if there were other informations, if there were no other information, I could still just use cake images everywhere else instead. I want to use cupcake, so I could still use cake images everywhere else. Just put one here, corner around it, another one here, and we're good to go. Just to taste. So you can see this is also a very good design. Now to make this design, I want you to feel a little bit balanced, or just maybe focused a bit, where I can add other information if I want to, like the contact info I had here. You can see I could still make it white. I think white too would be a very good option, yeah. And add other information, or still leave it like this. Our design is balanced and good to go. So that's it. I think I've come to the end of this video. Yep, this is not it. I hope you did enjoy it.